click on the trade section, then you can swap your stablecoin like USDT for the token you want. You can also switch between token as needed. The token names don't matter except in one case, since this is an on-chain transaction. If the token is on the Ethereum network, you will see the transaction fee here. For example, if I want to make a $10 trade, it tells me the minimum is $20, so I adjust it to that. Now I will spend $20 and receive 106 Polam tokens. I just click on prioritization success to complete the process. Here I can see the fee for the transaction I am about to make. My slippage is about $0.55 for the fee. This fee varies depending on the network, guys. Right now, these are the current network fees for the Ethereum. There are two different options, one at the top and one at the bottom. Here it shows you the small changes you need to make for your transactions to go through on the blockchain. Sometimes you can slightly increase the slippage. Right now, both are set to 1%. And the top section, you can increase it to the 1.5% or even 2% for a faster transaction. Similarly for the priority fee and network fee. The top section shows 0.56 and the bottom shows 0.5. By paying a slightly higher fee, you can ensure your transaction goes through faster. If you click confirm, you will activate this option. Then by clicking the trade button, you can complete your purchases. As I mentioned, you should pay attention to the priority fee while making a transaction. For Ethereum, the fee is 0.57 cents. Let's check for a different network. I will look at Mubarak coin. I go to the trade section for Mubarak and see the minimum amount. The minimum is $5.34. Of course, this changes depending on the network. For BSC network, the minimum is $5.33. I'm gonna trade $10. To ensure the transaction goes through, I click priority on success. As you can see, the priority fee is around 33 cents. I click confirm. Now I am buying $10 worth of Mubarak coin by clicking the trade button. The confirmation screen popped up and I'm approving the transaction. As you can see, my transaction was completed successfully. If I want to sell Mubarak, I can simply click trade button and sell it right away. Before selling, there are a few things I want to show you. By clicking this button, you can view your transaction history. This shows all your past buy and sell transactions. If you have made any transfers, you can see them here as well. Let's go back. The token you buy will appear in your assets section. If you go to the assets tab, you will see that I bought Mubarak and you can also see that Alpha tag. This is how you can track the tokens you purchased from Alpha in your assets section. Now I am going back to Alpha section. I select Mubarak and click trade again. This time I am selling. At the top I can see my Mubarak balance and the estimated amount I will receive in dollars. I click trade button. As you can see, the transaction was sent instantly. Now we are waiting for confirmation and it's approved. My balance updated immediately. And that's how you can easily buy and sell tokens. If you have any questions about Binance Alpha, feel free to ask us. Take care and see you next time.